Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Mind. My name is Asan Khoram, and in this video, which is actually one of the many videos that I have published on my YouTube course related to marketing analytics with Python. So today we are going to discuss about the campaign profitability analysis using Python. So prior to this video, we have been discussing about total profit do this, total profit do that, but that really don't resonate well with the analysis because total profit might be a kind of loss to a brand or business based on the investment that a brand did in order to acquire a customer or make the purchase. So this is like a more robust analysis, which is on a campaign profitability. We would like to see based on the marketing spend what kind of revenue we generated, and one key terminology that is being used in this particular scenario is called ROI, which is return on investment, where we have this total profit that is generated by the customer divided by the total promotion value, like what the company actually spent in order to acquire that customer in order to make subsequent order counts. So it would something look like this. For example, the total profit generated by customer is 5,000 and the total value of all promotion was 1,000. So ROI would be 5, which is a good indicator. So the higher the ROI, the better is the good indicator of our marketing efforts. So in order to do calculate that profitability or ROI, what we are going to do, first of all, we initialize the important libraries. We have pandas, we have matplotlib for plotting, and we are also importing numpy. This is for in order to calculate or manipulate the infinity value we would get if we divide like 1500 by 0, because there might be a case that the customer can landed on the website instead of based on like the customer was acquired without any particular marketing efforts. We would like to deal with that thing as well with the help of NumPy library. So first of all, it's our step is quite simple. We will create a new column called ROI, and we will equate its value by writing this Python statement here. We are defining the average row value of total profit to the average row value of total value of all profits, all promotion. In that particular case, we will have this ROI column being created. Now there might be a case where the total value of all promotion is 0. We would have infinity value. So what we would like to do here, we would like to replace that infinity value. So once we have created the column of ROI, here we are applying the replace function, and we are replacing the negative infinity and positive infinity value with none value, and in place is equal to true. It means that we are actually doing the modification to the actual data set. We don't move and make the update on it. And once we kind of set it to a none value, what we are actually doing here, we are using a fill name function of pandas library, and we are passing two input argument. First input argument is actually the value that we are going to put into the none value, and the in place is equal to true. It means that we want the changes to be made to the actual data frame. So here we are setting mean value to ROI. You might ask me like why we are doing this. It might be because although it might seem that the customer was not acquired through any effort, but in the back end the customer might have like spent on other channels of marketing such as brand advocates, such as referral programs, affiliate, that might not be directly accounted for or measured. In that particular case, we would like to give it some mean value to it. So that was the concept behind it. Now once we have that, we will have this something amazing data frame being created, where we have this marketing channel type and we have this ROI associated. Now once we have that, what we are going to do, we are simply going to apply group by method on this data frame, and we are going to group those values by marketing channel type. Once we group those values, we are going to calculate the mean ROI for every marketing channel type, and finally we are going to show those values in descending order, and finally we are going to plot a bar chart that will look something like this. So with this particular image, we are actually able to visualize that paid social actually give the brand more ROI as compared to paid search. So this was exactly kind of also being verified when we were dealing with total profit as well. So in this video, you learned that channels with high ROI deserve more increased investment, Like the company should be spending more money on the channel that has higher ROI, and the company should also watch out as to not to spend much money on low ROI promotion that drains the profit. I hope this video have been helpful. I will catch you soon with the next video.